Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I picked up these polycarbonate sheets from a skip a few weeks ago and I wasn't sure what I was going to do. And I also got loads of decking boards. And I've been messing about in this windy weather at home trying to knock up something to use these boards with. So let me show you what I've done. So I've rebuilt my pergola and I've made it slightly wider as the wisteria was leaning over, but I've made it now around the wisteria, so the wisteria is now in the middle of the arbour. We've also given it a good prune and this is looking pretty good. So we've just given the shed a new coat of willow, and this is the cuprinal shades, and I've added the arch next to my workbench, and I've just added this trellis to the side, and I think that looks quite good, but I'm working out what to do with this perspex. So I've given my pallet bench a coat of willow. It looks pretty good, although I've just put my tea all over it. And now I've come up with a plan for some of this wood. So the plastic sheets are going to make a little lean-to on the edge of my shed. So these are the plastic sheets, and we've got quite a few, and I've now worked out that 4 sheets will walk across there quite nice, and the angles will actually work quite well. But I do need to cut this. I'm not quite sure how I'm cutting this yet, but we'll see. So this panel is just a bit too long and I need just a certain bit taken off. So I'm going to try the jigsaw and see if we can shorten it. Job done. So that cut did really well and it just fit nice. We've got a bit of a shape going on here. Well, that's pretty good. I'm attaching this polyglass with screws and washers. That's looking pretty good. Really pleased with this. So I'm giving the roof boards a coat, and we're using this Cuprinol Dusky Gem garden shades. It's looking quite good. So we're just doing all the roof struts with this Cuprinol. That'll make it look quite tidy. So I'm just screwing the last piece on, and I've cut it so the angles are right. So it looks pretty good. These are the angles that are already pre-cut, and I've just cut it down the end here to make it fit. I think that looks pretty good. So that was lucky. I've just put on the last panel before it started raining. It's going to be interesting to see how waterproof it is. But now I can work outside in the rain. Is everyone else like me? Waits to put the roof on before we paint the joists. If I waited though, I wouldn't have got the roof on. Oh well. So, yeah. Carry on indoors now. So, here we are. The sun's going down now. And I'm really pleased about the job we've done. I put some shelves at the back here, and there's a tray for seedlings, for plants, and underneath another shelf using the polycarbonate sheets for the shelves and also the roof, and it's looking really good. I'm really pleased. The pallet potting bench is looking good, and we've given the shed doors another coat, but we're really pleased with this. And we've still got 2.5 polycarbonate sheets left. And we put a little drying rack in the corner, so I'm really pleased. So the sun's already coming out, and I can already feel some heat under here already. It's already getting warm. It's going to be good. Looking forward to using this. Just need to make a few more adjustments, a few more bits of strengthening, and I think we're good. So looking from the outside, we can see in and see out, but we do need some brown paint for the arbour. We haven't got any of that at the moment. But it's looking really good. Still need to mend the bottom of the bed, because that's gone rotten. Well, that's another job. As soon as we can paint up all the brown trellis, it's going to look super. So I've got my chair, and I can sit down under cover, and if it rains I can still do my seeds and still mess about outside. So hopefully should stay up, hopefully. And the cost of all this was absolutely free. The polycarbonate sheets was out the skip, the decking boards was out the skip, and all the nails or the screws that we've used were all free, and the paint was also free, as we've also used that in the past in the shed, as we can see behind. So good job done, really pleased. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.